Hello students, good morning. Today in accountancy, we are going to continue with the chapter 2, the last sum. See, in the last class, 23rd sum I have explained. The same model exercise number 24. See, they are given the receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st December. See, in the receipt side, the two balance brought down is given, cash in hand. Then in the subscription, 3 years has been given, donation, match fund receipts, interest on FD, and two miscellaneous receipts. Then in the payment side, match expenses, upkeep of pavilion, secretariat's honorarium, bat and ball purchase, grass seeds, fixed deposit, sundry expenses, and the closing balance of cash and bank. Then in the adjustments, 1/1/2018, the association owned investment 10,000, premises, ground, stock of bat and ball 5,000, then subscription of rupees 5,000 and subscription due for the year 6,000. So now I am going to explain the problem. So as usual, the first step is calculation of capital fund. So it's just like a opening balance sheet, because whenever capital is given, so we will be continuing with the income and expenditure account and the year end balance sheet. But now here the capital fund is not given. So based on that, certain items, add your assets minus the liabilities, will be getting the balance sheet figure as capital. But now there is no item in the liability side. So whatever we are getting in the asset side, that will appear. So investment 10,000, subscription outstanding, both I have added together 15,000, cash in hand 5,000, premises 40,000, stock of bat and ball 5,000. So asset side total is 75,000. So our capital fund is 75,000. Any doubt, students? Now the second step is preparation of income and expenditure account. First, expenditure side, upkeep of pavilion 17,000, honorarium 18,000, bat and ball 22,000 minus the opening stock, so 17,000. Then grass seeds 2,000, sundry expenses 3,000. That's all our expenditure side. Now income side, by subscription plus outstanding, so 61,000 minus paid in advance 5,000, 56,000. Then donation, interest on fixed deposit, miscellaneous receipts. So the total of the income side is 1,09,000. So again we are getting a surplus of 52,000. Any doubt, students? First step is calculation of capital fund 75,000. Second step is income and expenditure account to calculate the surplus. Now the third step is the balance sheet. First we will finish up the liability side, because very less item only will appear in the balance sheet. The first item of the liability side is capital fund, as we calculated 75,000 plus the surplus, which we calculated from the income and expenditure account, the 52,000. Then subscription received in advance 5,000. So only three items, students, in the liability side of the balance sheet: capital fund, surplus, subscription received in advance. Now we are proceeding to the asset side. Fixed deposit 58,000, cash in hand 7,000, cash at bank 6,000, investment 10,000, premises 40,000, stock of bat and ball 5,000, then subscription outstanding 6,000. So if you add, the total of the balance sheet is 1,32,000. So any doubt, students? First step is calculation of capital fund 75,000. Second step is calculation of income and expenditure side by getting a surplus of 52,000. Third step is preparing the balance sheet as on 31/12/2018. The liability side only three items: capital fund, surplus, and subscription received in advance. Then in the asset side, fixed deposit, cash balance, bank balance, then investment premises, stock of bat and ball, all the three were given in the adjustments, then subscription outstanding. So the total of the balance sheet is 1,32,000. Suppose if there is any doubt in sum number 23, 24, so just tell me through WhatsApp. Then again I will explain. Okay. Then in between, two more sums are pending in the non-profit association. After then we will continue chapter 3. Thank you, students.